Birds are fascinating creatures known for their ability to fly, though not all species take to the skies. Found in nearly every environment on Earth, birds display an incredible diversity in size, color, and behavior. From the tiny hummingbird to the majestic eagle, each species plays a unique role in the ecosystem, helping to control insect populations, pollinate plants, and disperse seeds. Most birds are covered in feathers, lay eggs, and possess lightweight skeletons that aid in flight. Their songs and calls are not only a means of communication,